Hey everybody, my name's Geef and I work at Restaurant Bad Hunter as the sous chef. Been there since 2016, and today I'm going to show you how to butcher a roundfish. This roundfish is a rainbow trout from a farm in Idaho, and I'm going to do a step-by-step with you on how to fillet it, and then I'm going to show you a quick recipe that I would have for dinner that takes no more than 10 minutes. I hope you enjoy this. Thanks.
First things first, we're going to butcher the fish. We do that by removing all of the fins and the head. Once that has been discarded, we start to open the fish up. We do that by cutting down the belly and the spine of the fish, and then we zip down the spine to remove the fillets, which you can see here. I then portion them, clean them up, and get them ready for the hot pan that I have behind me. Here we are pan-searing the fish with a little bit of oil. We've started our sauce. I throw oil down for the sauce, a little bit of shallot, then the garlic, then the golden raisins, then the thyme. I do this in that order because they usually take around that time to cook. I don't want them all to cook at the same time because some will burn, some won't, so on and so forth. Once I have opened up the thyme's aromatics, I will add in my white wine, turn down the flame, and then I will add butter to start to emulsify the sauce. The fish has been searing in the pan with a little bit of oil. I usually do this on a medium-high heat. I don't want the fish to stick to the bottom of the pan. You'll notice I'm using a spatula. This enables me to get a nice crisp sear on the entire fish. If you don't do this, the fish tends to bow up and you'll get a sear on the edges and not in the middle of the fish, so you'll have a weird mixture of crispy and tender skin. So I apply pressure using a spatula. You can use fish weights or the back of your hand. All work well. Once I think I've gotten a nice sear on my fish, I'll toss in a little bit of butter to brown it out. And then I will throw some brown butter from the pan onto the fish to add a nice nutty flavor to it. Before all this, I made a bunch of couscous. Couscous can be found at your store. Very easy to make, usually equal parts water and couscous. I usually add a little bit of salt into olive oil, bring the water to a boil, add your couscous, some salt, some oil, let it come back to a boil, stir it, put something over the top to cover it, and let it sit for 4 to 5 minutes, and then aerate it by fluffing it with a fork and set it aside until you're ready to serve. To plate, I lay down the couscous, very simple, right in the middle of the plate. Let gravity do the work. Then I'll place the fish on top of that in a moderately stacked formation, and then I will garnish with the sauce. a little bit of white wine, butter, and all the good stuff that we had talked about in the butter sauce recipe. And there you have it, the rainbow trout from Ava Filer, Idaho. It's a farm up there that raises a bunch of really pretty rainbow trout topped with your white wine butter sauce. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. That was the rainbow trout from Ava in Filer, Idaho, a little farm that raises a whole bunch of pretty little trout. It's paired up with some couscous, a white wine butter sauce made with golden raisins, shallot, garlic, and thyme. Hashtag Pilot Lights family meal. Thank you, Pilot Lights, for allowing me to do a little video for y'all. It's been a good time.
We want to know how you and your family are enjoying this recipe and making it together. So tag us. Find us on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at Pilot Light Chefs, hashtag PL Family Meal.